Hello buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize a pin pattern or a password for your Gigaset GX6. For that you want to go to your settings and then go to security. Then you're gonna click on biometrics and password, and here you have three different options. You can choose to unlock it by a pin, password, or pattern, a fingerprint, or face unlock. We're gonna choose to unlock our phone by a pin, password, or pattern, and we already have one, so we need to put in our pin. Now it gives us a small variety of options. We can choose to unlock our phone, none, so you press the power button and then it's directly to your home screen. Swipe, you will see your lock screen first, but it just takes a swipe to get into your phone. A pattern, so you just draw a random pattern on your phone. A pin, so that's normally a 4 to 6 digit number. You can also see that this is our current Screenlock, and a password. This is probably the most secure one because you can choose between special characters, numbers, and letters. Also, side note, for the pattern, if you draw this pattern all the time to unlock your phone, you might be able to see the pattern you're drawing when you turn your phone against the light, so you can see where you put your finger and then which direction you're going. Just keep that in mind. I'm gonna go with a password, and we choose and a little star. Where's my little star? There. And then we click on next, confirm that. You can also use a name or whatever, or a combination of letters, numbers, special characters. Confirm. And now if you lock your phone, you need to put in new password. Click on OK, and then your phone is unlocked. That's how you customize a pin, password, or pattern. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.